What's good, fam? It's your boy, Dr. Rani, aka the Hip Hop Doc, host of the podcast The Remedy with Dr. Rani Whitfield, where music, medicine, literacy, and other hot topics meet. Get ready for our first official episode dropping this Sunday, November 17th, 2024. We're kicking things off with Susan Strong, diving into the powerful impact of African American male nurses in healthcare. Did you know that less than 3% of nurses are African American men? I'll be breaking down why representation matters and the incredible work happening at my alma mater, HBCU, the only HBCU system in the country, the Southern University and A&M College. But we're not stopping there. On November 19th at 12 noon, head over to my YouTube channel, The Remedy with Dr. Rani Whitfield, where we'll be dropping a brand new music video featuring the men of Southern University School of Nursing, aka Susan Strong, with a rap written by yours truly. Be sure to catch The Remedy with Dr. Rani Whitfield on all podcast platforms, YouTube, Spotify, Apple, and more. And please like, follow, share, and subscribe to the channel. It could save your life. Remember, we are born looking like our parents, but we die looking like our decisions. It's the Hip Hop Doc. They call me H2D. Come on, y'all. Let's get hip hop healthy. Peace and blessings. I'm out.